Now, if you have kids, listen up. N-bomb overdoses have sent 2 teens in Dane County to the hospital, one with possible long-term organ damage. Tonight, we ask an emergency room doctor how they're treating this new kind of user when the side effects are still somewhat of a mystery. Deputies and doctors could have the next heroin on their hands. Used by high schoolers and college kids in affluent neighborhoods, a new synthetic drug, N-bomb, has made its way to Dane County.
The scary thing about these synthetic drugs is there's no recipe. There could be many different things that are being put into this, and you really don't know what you're putting in your body.
And even if we did, once a user makes it to the ER, it might be too late.
Part of it for this specific drug is that a very, very small dose can have profound effects.
Meritor physician Jeff Van Bendigam says N-bomb symptoms mimic those of LSD. Also known as smiles and 251, Van Bendigam says it most commonly comes as a concentrated liquid on blotter paper, which is snorted, put in a person's cheek, or placed under their tongue. It can cause high heart rate, hallucinations, and hypertension. In more serious cases, it can lead to kidney failure, seizures, and death. Doctors are still learning the drug's long-term effects as more patients come in with a high. Specifically, what happens when N-bomb hits are mixed with something else.
We have not fully studied what their physiologic effects are, so it's hard for us to say what medications could combine with this to kill you or to give you a severe side effect that might be life-threatening.
A shame there's something else to worry about out there. The designer drug can also be inhaled or injected, according to authorities. It was first concocted in a legitimate lab to treat depression and schizophrenia. Doctors tell us N-bomb acts on the serotonin receptors in the brain, making it even harder to distinguish those bad side effects from other overdose symptoms.